If you have ever dealt with an unexpected brownout, worked remotely in the middle of nowhere, or just wanted to keep the fridge running during a typhoon, you know that not all power banks are built equal. Well, the Bluetti AC200L isn't your typical portable solution. It's a full-on backup power system designed to handle serious workloads. Whether you're living off-grid, prepping for outages, running lighting equipment out of the studio, a power station may be all you're looking for. I mean, who needs a V-mount battery when we can stay plugged in even outside? Well, we recently got our hands on the Bluetti AC200L, and after several weeks of use both indoors and outdoors, we can safely say it's built for serious power users. With a 2048 watt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery and a 2400 watt AC output with up to 3600 watts of surge, the AC200L is definitely more power than your average 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. Let's get into it. In terms of build, this thing is humongous. Weighing in at around 28 kilograms or 61.7 pounds, the Bluetti AC200L isn't exactly portable in the grab-and-go sense, but it does come with sturdy handles on both sides. That said, it's clearly built to last. The matte finish is definitely scratch-resistant, unless, of course, you're using like a metal knife or something to try to scratch it up. And the LCD display over here gives us a detailed look at input-output stats, battery level, and charging mode in real time. It's not rugged in the sense of weatherproofing, but it's definitely something you'd feel confident hauling to a campsite, a farm, or even building a temporary setup for event photo booth businesses and alike. For ports, the AC200L gives us a lot of versatility. We get 4 AC outlets that output 2400 watts total that can surge up to 3600 watts, 2 100 watt USB-C power delivery ports here in the front, 2 USB-A ports that are 5 volts over 3 amps, 1 12 volt car socket over here, and finally, 1 48 volt RV port. With all these ports, the AC200L can easily run multiple devices simultaneously, whether it's your gaming laptop, various chargers, appliances, a variety of studio lights. And with 3600 watts of surge power, we powered up a microwave without even triggering an overload. Like I mentioned earlier, the AC200L is powered by a lithium iron phosphate battery, or LFP battery, rated for 3500 plus cycles to 80% of the battery life, which practically means we're looking at nearly 10 years of regular use before battery degradation becomes a thing. Bluetti also lets us expand capacity via the B300 or B300S external battery packs, boosting the total capacity of up to 8,192 watt hours, which we can connect via the ports here on the side, which can be ideal for long-term off-grid setups or larger properties like farms or construction sites. When it comes to actually charging this power station up, this is where Bluetti really flexes. The AC200L supports fast dual charging with up to 2400 watts of combined AC plus solar input. But in a nutshell, we can charge the AC200L via our regular run-of-the-mill wall outlet, which can charge the power station from empty to full in about 2 hours. There's also solar charging with a max input of 1200 watts, which is rated to fully charge in less than 3 hours. With optimal sunlight. We didn't get to test this because we do not have the Bluetti PV200 solar panel accessory, which is sold separately. There's also car charging. This method is useful but slow, more of an emergency option if you forget to charge up before leaving for a road trip. But yeah, that's it. Practically similar to the last power station we reviewed. Either way, here's a list of some common devices we can plug to the AC200L. We could plug in a 10-watt LED light bulb and that thing would last 180 hours. A 70-watt mini fridge would last 28 to 30 hours. A full-size fridge at 150 watts would last 12 to 13 hours. And with something like an iPhone 16 Pro, you can charge that phone up 135 times on this power station at full charge. And a MacBook Air M4 gets 31 full charge cycles out of this power station. The AC200L can also be monitored and controlled remotely via the Bluetti app, which I installed by scanning this QR code over here. It is applicable for both Android and iOS devices, so keep that in mind. And once the app is installed, your phone and the power station practically connects via Bluetooth and a shared Wi-Fi connection. With the app, we can check input and output, change charging settings, update firmware, and enable different UPS modes, to name, well, most of the essential things we could do in the app. And that's pretty much the Bluetti AC200L. This thing proves that power stations aren't just luxury camping gear anymore. They're serious, multifunctional devices that can support daily life, work, and emergencies. If you're somebody who needs dependable power for off-grid setups, frequent brownouts, or high wattage tools, maybe you were thinking of buying a new UPS in the first place, maybe you guys should consider getting a power station that also acts as a UPS, like this one. Either way, if anything is clear, the Bluetti AC200L is a beast. While it is heavier than most other power stations and it's priced at a premium, the performance, expandability, and fast charging more than justify the initial investment. And no, you definitely cannot bring this as a carry-on for your next flight. Oh, and for those of you wondering about the cost, upon checking, the Bluetti AC200L retails for 74,999 pesos from the brand directly or from their official Shopee and Lazada stores. Links below. So, what do you guys think of the Bluetti AC200L portable power station? Are you guys the type of people who need a power station for whatever reason? Let us know how you would use a power station in your daily life, or maybe for specific projects, in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, found it informative, educational, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. And be sure to visit yugatech.com and follow us on all our social media platforms. That's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this was the Bluetti AC200L portable power station. And I'm Miguel, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.